Cash App uses Plaid to securely link traditional bank accounts for transfers. However, Cash App itself is not always directly searchable as a bank in Plaid when connecting it to other apps. Here's how the connection works in both directions. Linking a bank account to Cash App via Plaid. Open Cash App and tap your profile icon. Select linked banks or banks and cards. Tap Link Bank. Search for and select your bank. Log in with your online banking credentials through the secure Plaid interface. Choose the account and authorize the connection. Plaid handles verification instantly in most cases, or via micro deposits if needed. Connecting Cash App to another app that uses Plaid. Many apps do not list Cash App in the Plaid Bank search. In that case, in Cash App, go to the Money tab or Banking or Account Details. Find and copy your Cash App, routing number, and account number. In the other app, choose the manual Enter Account Details option instead of Instant Plaid Login. Enter the Cash App routing and account numbers.